When a contact is selected, the contact information pane will open. The contact pane for other users on the system will show availability state, extension, and phone number of the users. For outside contacts, just the phone number is visible. In the contact pane, users can see interactions with that user or contact, including info, messages, calls, and voicemail. The user will also see options for interactions. Users can choose to dial, share screen, dial mailbox, access voicemail, and alert when available. Alert when available allows users to tag another user that is currently on the phone or in an availability state other than available. When the user becomes available, the system will send a notification stating the time they became available.